Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, 가요 cold. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero. 폭설한 그 chill there.
Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing some cleaning and birthday party prep. Our daughter's birthday is coming up next week, our youngest daughter, and we're throwing her a birthday party tomorrow, so I need to get this in order. I'm gonna be doing some really quick cleaning. I'm mostly gonna be showing you the decorating aspect. I did show you a little bit of me like cleaning off my deck and getting that ready, but for the majority it's just going to be decorating in this area in here, which is the dining area. I'm going to be doing like a backdrop with some balloons and that kind of thing. She wanted a donut birthday party, so that's what we're doing, and let's get into it. So this was just a quick cleanup of the backyard. Right now, obviously, you just see that I'm just cleaning these little chairs off. They were just really kind of dusty and just needed a little light cleaning. So I'm just spraying them down, and then we'll move back onto the deck. I can wave it fast. Yeah, I'm leaving back, but I don't know. 맘 보면 나도 내 맘 I don't know. 이거 love a relationship. 헷갈리기만 해, girl. I'll tell you I'm sorry. This party actually happened back in the summer. That tells you how far behind I am, but at least I've got it up now for anybody who wants some ideas if you're wanting to throw the same kind of like donut themed party in the future. I love this Dawn Power Wash. It really does a good job when you're having to get off, you know, like a lot of dirt, or if you're wanting to soak dishes or that kind of thing. I don't use it usually as like my primary like dish cleaner when I'm washing dishes, but definitely as a secondary, or like I said, when I have to soak something, and it did a really good job with cleaning off this table.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
I got this table at Walmart on clearance. It was less than $100, and I believe I got it last summer, but definitely a really good deal, and it fits really good in the space. The deck is not huge, and so it does fit really well and nicely, and yeah, I think it came out pretty cute. So I did have to do a little bit of light cleaning to get prepped and ready to go before I put the tablecloth down. So I went ahead and wiped down this table. I did some vacuuming, and then later on I also cleaned the walls.
We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things
So I kind of had an idea of what I wanted this to look like with the color scheme and everything, but to be honest, I totally just kind of winged the table. I didn't really know what I was doing. I just put out the like teal, you know, tablecloth, and then I put the pink one over there, and then I used like the pink glitter tool, and I just tied like some little bows in it. I didn't really know what I was doing, but it came out super cute, and wait till you see it all come together.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
So I just realized I didn't show it on camera, but I just wrapped some of that light, like lilac color streamers. I just wrapped it around this entire little design I made in the middle. And then all of the plates and cups and all of that cutlery, the background, the balloons, it all came from Amazon. All of the tablecloths, all of those, I got that from Walmart.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. The Uber pulling up on call.
Unfortunately, I'm ready to tap out already. Not even close to being done. I have stuff, supplies for a balloon arch to go over the table, but it's kind of a lot of work. So I'm trying to do it without it, just by like sticking the balloons together and then sticking them to the wall. We'll see. So luckily I have a machine, so we're getting ready to blow it up with that. Also, side note, that cleaner is bomb. I'm actually shocked. I found that the other day at found it at Home Depot, just on a whim. I wasn't looking for cleaning products, I was looking for something else, and I was like, foaming wall cleaner, I've never heard of it, let me try it. I am so glad I did. I would never go back to any other product, honestly. That worked superb. This balloon pump was an Amazon purchase some years ago. It has come in handy dandy every time. I love it, and I will never go back to the hand pumps or trying to blow balloons up by mouth. Like, I just will never do it again. It is amazing.
So I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land, and we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact.
By the way, I will link the most of the purchases that I bought on Amazon. I'll try to link them in the description box.
I'm gonna leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
I obviously didn't show you everything because it took me hours. I don't know, I didn't really check. I can't remember how long it took me. It took me a very long time. Anyway, let me tell you what I'm not happy about. These balloons are supposed to be sprinkles, and they do not blow up. I tried to put it on my balloon pump, didn't work. Tried to blow it up with my mouth, definitely didn't work. So I'm out of these, and I guess we can get started like putting them all together so I can put it on the wall over here. The pack comes with double-sided like glue dots, and you basically stick them on and then stick the balloons together in order to make them stick. Honestly though, if I'm being honest, next time I will definitely just use my arch. It was really difficult to get them to clump together, but then also, and you'll see in a minute, to get them to stick to the wall without any real support. So I thought this was going to be better. I'm glad I tried it. I won't do it this way again. Next time I'll just use, you know, the same like balloon packs, but I'll use my arch that I have instead. All right, and this is the final look. I think everything came together super, super cute. The donut stands are acrylic and they're from Amazon as well, so I'll try to remember to link that. And that's it. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you're new here, I would really appreciate if you click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back here soon for a brand new video. Bye.
Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice.